Hello students, today I am going to discuss about the static variable, instance variable and local variable, that is variables in Java. Variables, first you understand what is variable. Variable is a container which holds the value, which types of values we can store, that will be decided by the data type. A variable, as we know that variable, whatever the variable we create in Java, it allocates the memory in RAM. That means it is for temporary or it's a volatile memory. So whatever the variable, suppose M I have declared. So M is a container. M is a container where we can store value. But in this M, which type of value can be stored, that will be decided by the data types. Variable is a name memory location M, and this the memory location where we can store values. There are three types of variable in Java: local variable, instance variable and static variable. Variable is a combination of two words, vary and able. That means its value can be changed. Means if m equals to, we have stored 20, so this value can be changed here. Now it's 20. If anybody will store 10, so now in the place of 20 only 10 will be stored. One more thing about the variable that you have to remember: in a particular variable only one at value we can store at a time. But in array variable, we can store multiple value, but that will be called subscripted variable or subscripted variable in. So now let's see the types of variable. Types of variable: local variable, instance variable, and a static variable. First, you understand what is local variable, what is instance variable, and what is static variable. Local variable. A variable declared inside the body of method is called local variable. The variable, as we know that we declare the method inside the class in Java, and inside the method or inside the loop, whatever the variable you will take, that variable will called local variable. You can use this variable only within that method or within that loop. A local variable cannot be defined with a static keyword. What is local variable? Local variable declared inside the body of method is called local variable. You can use this variable only within the method. A local variable cannot be defined with a static keyword. I will give you the example. Instance variable. A variable declared inside the class but outside the body of the method. Inside the body of the method, local variable; outside the body method and inside the class without a static keyword is called instance variable. A static variable, a variable which is declared as a static, is called a static variable. It is visible only within the class. Memory allocation for the static variables happen only once when the class is loaded in the memory. It is also known as class variable. A static variable also known as class variable. A static variable, the variable which is declared inside the class with a static keyword. Now let's see the example of these three type of variable so that it will be clear to you what is local variable, what is instance variable, and what is a static variable. Class variable. Inside a class, I have declared a variable int a, and another variable I have declared int a static int b equals to 20, and one more variable I have declared, display int c. Now see, these three type of variable is there, a, b and c. One variable I have declared inside the class without a static keyword. One variable I have declared inside the class with a static keyword. One variable I have declared inside the function. So this type of variable which I have declared here is called instance variable. Variable declared inside the class without a static keyword. The variable declare inside the class without a static keyword is called instance variable. So what is instance variable? Instance variable, the variable declared inside the class without a static keyword. This is called a static variable with a static keyword. See the difference. Int a is the instance variable. Why? Because it is declared inside the class without the static keyword. A static int b is called a static variable or class variable. This is also called class variable. Also you can say class variable. This is the instance variable. This was the class variable. Class variable means the variable declared inside the class with a static keyword, and this one is the local variable. The variable which is declared inside the function, or simply you can say other example. I can give you other example like for int I equals to 1, I less than 10, I plus plus. See, this I inside the loop is also called local variable. I is local variable. C is also a local variable. Why? Because it declared inside the function. This is also local variable. Why? Because this is declared inside the loop. A is instance variable declared in class without static keyword. B is class variable or a static variable. Why? Because we have declared this with static keyword. And uses of the static keyword I have explained in the a static keyword in Java. In one particular tutorial, I will give you the link for understanding the static keyword. You go through that and understand what is the uses of a static variable. But int instance variable we can use in this program as normal as we use the variables. This C can be used inside this function only for performing any particular calculation or mathematical operation. So this is all about the types of variable. Okay, students.